Today we're looking at standard section layouts for ebooks in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So click on the ebook format and assign section layouts. Now the first thing to say here is that those page breaks we saw before in the paperback layouts have more significance here. A page break in an ebook indicates, as you would expect, a page break, but it also tells Compile that the title of that section is something to put into the auto-generated table of contents. So bear that in mind when selecting your formats. You'll notice that the styles of text here are quite different. This is because of the restrictions on ebooks with regards to text size and font. Basically, you can't change the font, so don't try to. The reader changes the font if they want to, not you. But you have a little flexibility with title sizes. There are quite a lot of different title layouts though, so certainly for a novel you should have enough variety here to choose something that you like. The other thing you might have noticed is that some of the ebook section layouts have bordered in their names. This does not mean a great big border all around the edge. It means that the title in the layout has a line above and below it, which is just one way of making it stand out. Unfortunately, these don't show in the on-screen representations within Scrivener. So once again, simply click on the section type, click on the layout you want, and then click OK to save it. Next time, we'll be talking about document selection.